Isasagot, Your Honor. Kasi ganun
Pareho
po yung proseso
isasagot.
natin. Opo.
O, sandali lang. Let us follow the...
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair.
I'm now being tempted to raise a point of order, Mr. Chairman. I made a motion duly seconded, Mr. Chairman,
kasi nga kung...
to subpoena, Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman, today, Mr. Chairman. I'm asking it today because they said they
if
will
that
finish
will
it
help us,
today.
okay. Any second?
Yeah, it was already seconded, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion and there's second. The motion is approved. Then let's
Thank you,
continue
Mr.
with the questioning.
Mr. Chair. Sir, kasi yung 5 minutes ko, maraming sumingit. Last na lang, isa lang.
Hindi, kasi hindi na makakaano itong mga kasama natin.
With the permission of Senator Tulfo. Senator Tulfo, maigsi lang. Maigsi lang. Ha?
Di ba, Mr. Chair?
Kasi ang sabi ng, Mr. Chair, sabi ng CUA.
Teka muna, with the permission of Senator Tulfo.
Okay lang?
Clarification, Mr. Chair. Akala ko po ako yung
Oo nga,
kasunod
kayo na po ang
ni
susunod.
Senator
Kaya
De La
lang, ang
Rosa.
daming ayaw pang bumitaw. Wala
Hindi,
tayong-
hindi.
Hindi ho,
Marami
naghihintay
kayo
naman po
last
ako.
na to, last.
Tinatanong ko lang po yung
last.
sequence.
And then
Salamat,
last,
Mr.
and then
Chair.
Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Pagkatapos wala na si Senator Amy, Senator Rapi.
Yeah.
Sandali lang, ikaw na po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, considering that this representation is part of the leadership,
Okay.
Priority,
we find
priority,
out, Mr.
priority.
Chairman,
Okay.
the list of...
Last question, then Senator Risa. Wala na si Senator Marcos, Senator Joel, Senator Rapi, Senator Robin, magkano ka? Senator Robin. And then Senator Mark. Okay. In that order.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Proceed, sir. Proceed.
Ma'am CUA, sabi mo kanina, kaya hindi pa kayo nakapag-file ng kaso dahil itong mga ghost projects na ito ay 2025 nangyayari. Am I correct? At you need time para...
Sir, for
makapag-file ka.
clarification, isa po doon sa mga ghost projects na na-mention, sir, ay 2025. Pero sa iba po, hindi ko po masigurado kung anong taon.
Okay, ganito. According to CUA Annual Audit Report 2023, 2023 ito, it was observed that various infrastructure projects with aggregate cost of 5.716 billion were declared as 100% complete. On the report on publicized government programs, projects, and activities, and project status monitoring reports of DPWH implementing offices despite the deficiencies or defects noted upon actual inspection and validation thereof. Ibig sabihin po, sa regular annual audit ng CUA, nakikita na ang mga mali-maling report ng District Engineering Office ng DPWH. So itong mga 2023 na mga problema, wala pa kayo napailan ng kaso nito?
Your Honor, yung iba po dyan kasi, kinorek na nung contractor yung mga noted deficiencies. Yung iba naman po, nagbayad na po yung mga persons liable. At doon sa mga nakorek, kahit nakorek po, meron din pong mga pinataw or nakolektang liquidated damages po.
So, meaning, wala talaga nakasuhan kasi naayos nila. Naayos nila ito lahat. Kasi 5.716 billion pesos na projects. Sabi maraming deficiencies. Tapos
Po yung
wala
total-
nakasuhan.
Yan po yung total contract cost, Your Honor, yung 5.7.
Yes.
Opo.
So wala nakasuhan ito.
Itatanong ko po kasi, Your Honor, consolidation po yan sa lahat ng regional and district engineering offices.
Yes, I hope,
Opo.
ma'am. That's your
Opo.
mandate. That's your mandate.
Kukunin po namin sa mga regional auditors
Yeah,
po
gawin
natin
po ninyo.
kung meron po silang mga finailan po para po dyan.